Hey guys, my name is Mahesh. Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something exciting for you, a super easy method to make money with affiliate marketing using the Fiverr affiliate program. This strategy is not only legitimate but also incredibly simple. You won't need to dive into the complex selling techniques, email marketing or paid campaigns. So stick around and I'll show you how you can get started in just 5 minutes. But before we jump in, if you feel like you're getting benefited with my videos, then I request you to please do subscribe and give a thumbs up to the video. Why? Because it would be motivating me to create new content for you. And also guys, just imagine if a normal Indian person like me who can sit at home and make money in dollars on autopilot just by creating these kinds of systems, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? And guys, at any time, if you're really interested in my own method to make $5,000 to $10,000 just from your home with making use of your internet connection and computer, then I request you to please click the first link in the description, get registered, and I'll share you the strategy right away with you. Also, if you stick to this video till the end, I'm about to give you a $97 bonus absolutely for free. Alright, now let's get into it. So what's the deal with the Fiverr affiliate program? It's a program where you can earn commissions by referring paying customers to Fiverr. Now, there's a various ways to make money with Fiverr's affiliate program, but I'll focus on one method that, in my opinion, stands out with the Fiverr logo maker. Alright, to get started, click the link in the description down below. It's my affiliate link, so if you sign up, I'll get a kickback. So click on that link, then after, click on the See Commissions page. Here, you'll find different ways to make money with Fiverr as an affiliate. But today, we are diving into the Fiverr logo maker. Now, what's so special about the Fiverr logo maker? Well, for every customer you refer to Fiverr who uses the logo maker, you earn $30. It's that simple. The logo maker is an automated tool that creates logos in minutes. So let me show you how easy it is for you to create a logo. You input your brand name, then after answer a few questions as you can see on the screen, choose a style, then after, and bam, a bunch of logo variants tailored to your preferences. You can see there are different varieties of logos according to your need. It's that easy to create a logo with Fiverr. Now let's talk strategies. How can you make money with this? Start by using Google to find small businesses in your area. For example, I'll take with gyms in Chicago. Now look for ones that with either no logo or a poorly designed logo. Once you identified them, find their contact details. So once you visit their website, here you can find their contact details, email or mobile number directly, or the alternate way is to connect with them on social media. So contact details are very important. Now what I'll do is I'll even give you a script. You can make use of the same script and send a message to them saying, "Hi, I noticed your logo could use some work. Check out the blog post I wrote about an easy to use logo maker on Fiverr. Quick note, make sure to follow Fiverr's anti-spam rules. Instead of sending direct affiliate links, create a helpful blog post on a platform like medium.com. And if you like to know how I created an article, as you can see on the screen, this is the article which I've generated, that took completely by making use of ChatGPT within 5 minutes. So if you like to know how I created this article completely with ChatGPT, then I request you to click on the I button which is popping on the right screen, top right screen, or else you can please visit the link down below in the description stating how to create your blog post with ChatGPT. Alright, this would be helping you out to create your own blog post within minutes and include your affiliate links in there. So I've included few affiliate links. As you can see, there are different affiliate programs included into one article, but primarily I'm focusing on logo maker with Fiverr. Then after, there are certain other affiliate programs included in it. So you have to draft your blog post in such a way you need to include affiliate links into that blog post. And transparency is key. So include a disclosure stating that the link is an affiliate link. Alright, now head back to the Fiverr homepage and let me show you which service to promote on Twitter. This is the second strategy. Now search for logo design. So once you click on top left corner like here, you would be finding many logos, and pay attention to sellers with good ratings and reviews. So I would be going with this. Now choose a level 1 or a top rated seller with a solid reputation. Now copy the seller's profile link and return to your Fiverr affiliate account. So once I copy it, here I would be going into my Fiverr account dashboard. Then after I'll click on account, and then after click on marketing tools, then default and deep links. Here at the top right corner, paste the seller's profile link, and there you have it, your Fiverr affiliate link is created. Now copy this Fiverr affiliate link, go to your blog post, mention saying that this is Fiverr's top choices where these people create professional logos, and include your affiliate link down below. This is quite easy to get people to click on the link. Now let's promote this link on Twitter. Okay, if you don't have a Twitter account, then go to Google, search for Twitter and sign up for free, and you'll land on your Twitter homepage. So once you're on Twitter homepage, search for people looking for logo designers. Respond to their tweets recommending the Fiverr seller using your blog post link. Crafting a compiling message like saying, if you're still looking for a logo designer, check out this top rated blog post on creating professional logos on Fiverr, and paste your blog post link. Then after click reply, and your blog post link will be sent to someone actively searching for logo design services. Remember, the key to success is consistent promotion. The more links you share, the more commissions you can earn. So I've been doing this for 6 months, and it is actually working for me. So before we wrap up, let me quickly mention 2 more ways to make money with the Fiverr affiliate program. Firstly, refer other affiliates and get 10% of their referred revenue for a lifetime. That's some passive income right there. And secondly, there's the traditional Fiverr CPA option, where you can earn a flat rate of a hybrid model with a flat fee and revenue share. And guys, as I promised you, I would be giving away a $97 bonus for you, right? So this is the program called the Stasho method, where I've listed it on Digistore24, one of the best affiliate platform in the market. So I'm selling my product there for $20, and in future I'm about to sell it for $97. So I'm going to give this bonus absolutely for free, and this program is totally based on creating your own dietary supplement brand without any product and inventory. And if in case you are not interested into dietary supplements, then also you can easily earn around $100 to $200 just on autopilot, just by following this program. Alright, so you can please visit the second link in the description. And if in case you would like to learn affiliate marketing from scratch, there is a free masterclass in third link in the description. Just get registered over there, watch the 2 hours masterclass. If you are interested, you are most welcomed into our community. So there you have it, a straight line strategy to make money with the Fiverr affiliate program, particularly with the logo maker. If you can find businesses that need a logo upgrade, you could be pocketing $30 for each referral. Check the video description for the affiliate link if you are ready to get started. Alright, and let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, cheers, have a great day.